Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. Today we're doing another unboxing video, this time with the Upright Go. You may know the Upright Go from QVC or several health and wellness publications. Basically, it is a digital posture corrector. It was founded from this company called Upright, which is out of Israel in 2014. And their whole premise is to make products that promote ergonomic wellness. This product in particular happened to win the 2017 Health and Wellness Tech of the Year award. So we decided to take a look at it today and see exactly what it's all about. We ordered it from Amazon, but you can also get it at the Apple Store or through the Upright Go website. It retails at $79.95. So now we're gonna go to the unboxing. Slides out just like that. Here are the alcohol pads that they include. This is a little adhesive removal tool. And then here are the adhesives. It looks like they give you 8 adhesives to start. And these adhesives are hypoallergenic. Inside we have the USB charger, and this is how you actually power the Upright Go. And in this small black travel case, you have the actual Upright Go. And there it is, just sitting right there on the inside. Here is the actual Upright Go device. It's very small, probably only about 2 inches, extraordinarily light, and it almost feels like it's got a little bit of a silicone exterior. On the back, it includes an adhesive so that you are ready to go right away. The Upright Go works very simply. You place it on your spine, and the second that you slouch, it'll give you a light buzz. That is an indicator that you need to correct your posture. Now, it's not perfect, it's not hypersensitive, so every time that you look down to text, or every time that you look at something on the floor, it's not gonna alert you for those sorts of things. They have their own app, the Upright Go app, and this pairs with the device. This will track your posture as long as you're wearing it. One important thing to note is that the device does not require an accompanying app. If you simply put the Upright Go on your back after it's charged and you tap it twice, it will begin working and it will buzz you when your posture is incorrect. As you can see, the device is pretty small and seamless, and the Upright company argues that you shouldn't see it under most clothing. That's not exactly perfect, and you will be noticed, especially if you happen to be wearing a backless dress or a shirt that hangs a little lower. You might notice a bulge coming out of your clothing a little bit. The more you wear the Upright Go, the more in theory that you're going to have better posture and that you're going to get into those habits to develop better posture and thereby improve your overall back health. Thanks again, guys. Please be sure to check out more of our reviews at bestreviews.com.